Did you know that microgreens can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than their mature counterparts? Plus, growing them at home can save you up to $20 per week compared to buying them from the store. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow fresh, nutritious microgreens in a tiny space and, wait for it, for under $5. Whether you're in an apartment, dorm, or just want to save money, this is the perfect project for you. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A shallow container or tray. You can use an old takeout container or a baking tray. Potting soil or a growing medium. Microgreen seeds like sunflower, radish, or broccoli seeds. A spray bottle with water. And that's it. You can find all of these for under $5 if you're thrifty. Let's talk about microgreen seeds for a moment. You can use a variety of seeds, depending on your taste preferences and what's available. Sunflower seeds are great for a nutty flavor and crunchy texture, while radish seeds bring a spicy kick. Broccoli seeds are mild and packed with nutrients, making them a popular choice. Other options include pea shoots, basil, or even mustard seeds. The best part? You don't need to buy specialty seeds labeled for microgreens. Regular seeds work just as well and are often cheaper. Look for organic, untreated seeds for the best results. Fill your container with about an inch of soil. Make sure it's nice and even, but don't pack it down too tightly. The roots need space to grow. Take a moment to fluff the soil with your fingers to ensure it's loose and airy. If you're using a recycled container, make sure there are small holes at the bottom for drainage to prevent waterlogging. If not, you can poke a few holes with a knife or fork. Fill your seeds generously across the top. You want them close together, but not overlapping too much. More seeds mean a fuller harvest. Take your time to spread them as evenly as possible for consistent growth. If some seeds clump together, gently use your fingers to spread them out. Don't worry if they're not perfectly spaced. Microgreens are forgiving. Once the seeds are down, lightly press them into the soil to ensure good contact. This step helps the seeds absorb moisture and encourages faster germination. Step 3. Use your spray bottle to mist the seeds until the soil is damp but not soggy. Microgreens love moisture, so this step is super important. Step 4. Cover your tray with a plastic lid or a damp paper towel to keep the humidity in. This helps the seeds germinate faster. Keep them in a warm spot for 2 to 3 days, and don't forget to check the moisture levels daily. If the cover starts to dry out, re-moisten it with a spray bottle to maintain the humid environment. This step mimics a greenhouse effect, creating the perfect conditions for your seeds to sprout. You'll know they're ready for the next stage when you see tiny shoots pushing through the soil. After 2 to 3 days, you'll see the seeds sprouting. At this point, remove the cover and move them to a bright spot, like a windowsill or under a grow light. Water them lightly every day, and in about 7 to 10 days, you'll have beautiful microgreens ready to harvest. To harvest, just grab some scissors and cut the greens right above the soil line. Rinse them off, and they're ready to eat. You can use these in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or even as a garnish. They're packed with nutrients and taste amazing. And there you have it. Fresh, homegrown microgreens for under $5, grown in even the tiniest of spaces. If you try this at home, let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more budget-friendly gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.